Volvo V40, front door stripped down. So this is the car. Let's have a look. Took this out so far to see if there's out behind there. Can't find anything behind there. Took this off. Don't think I need that off. Just found 2 torques there. So we'll whip them out. So them 2 torques are removed. And they're T25. Let's see if this pulls off. Trim tool. That's it. Got this to undo here. Speakers come off. I'll disconnect that and pop it back on. So that's off. That was just clipped in to there, and it just unclipped. You just unclip these, but I couldn't show you because I didn't want to break it. I had to be careful. These obviously just push out connectors, so I'd already took that out. You could leave that in, but if you do take it out, make sure you take it out from the side. Comes up like that. Speakers back in. Job's a good one. So I can now take the mirror off.